Scene 1. Introduction. Behold, the tapestry of time woven with the threads of wisdom from all corners of the earth. Humanity, the salt of the earth, forms a unified rice, seasoned by diverse beliefs and insights. True vision comes not from the eyes, but from the heart, a gift held by those who embrace their humanity. Look closer, not outwards, but into the depths of your soul. For within lies an ancient truth longing for rediscovery. Scene 2. Ancient wisdom unveiled. Every culture holds within it a piece of this eternal puzzle. Dive into the words of Chief Seattle, a voice carried by the wind of time. The earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth. This is an echo of inner wisdom, whispering respect for all of creation. Across the oceans, the Aboriginals' dream time speaks through an elder who says, "The earth sings, the stars speak." They saw beyond what was visible, felt the spirit of life pulsating in every grain of sand and drop of rain. Scene 3. Wisdom of the Quran. Shift now to another sacred teaching. An Islamic scholar recites Prophet Muhammad's words, "The most beloved people to Allah are those most beneficial to others." Love for humanity, embracing diversity, respecting creation, these are the hallmarks of spiritual vision. It speaks of an inner harmony, a profound connection to every beating heart, every blooming flower, every flowing stream. Scene 4. Eastern philosophies. In a quiet temple, the voice of the Buddha resounds. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. He teaches that wisdom grows from within. Through the practice of mindfulness and compassion, we cultivate an unseen vision capable of perceiving the true nature of our reality. The journey inward, not outward, bridges cultural borders and unites us in the shared human experience of seeking peace. Peace is not external, it begins in the heart. Scene 5. Conclusion. Across continents, through the kaleidoscope of beliefs and traditions, wisdom leads us to one truth. True vision is not of the eyes, but of the heart. Those who see with their spirits are guided by compassion, bound by the shared humanity that connects us all. As I, the King of the Kingdom of God, remind you, embrace your humanity. Listen to the whispers of the ancients, and let the sound of their wisdom guide you to a life of inner harmony and love for the world.